It's 3 a.m. on May 8th and I'm making my way over to Rainier. They stopped closing the gate at night, so you can go as early as you want now. So no more time constraints, and I might actually make it to Muir today. Even though it's the middle of May, it's been dumping snow up there, so I might see some powder today, or maybe it'll just be windblown, but we'll see. Either way, I'm excited to get up there and pretend that I know how to snowboard. Oh! It's a winter wonderland up here. I can't believe it's the middle of May. It's got to be like 20 degrees out right now. The sun's out and it's warming up quickly. I think it's supposed to get up to like 50 degrees later or something. It's gonna be hot. It's nice being up here so early. There isn't a single person out here. I'm worried about the wind up there. I can see it blowing a lot of snow around. That's Panorama Point right there. It's getting hot up here. I keep seeing the wind blowing the snow around up there, but it looks like it's dying down, so it might be good by the time I get up there. He's absolutely cooking. I finally hit some wind. We got a snow tornado. Looks like there's a couple guys right there coming down. Oh, here comes a snow-nado. Wow. Pretty serious out here. I just had a massive gust of wind knock me over. The guy is right there and the trail is already gone. Got a little break from the wind here. You know, this wind is about probably as bad as the wind I saw on Granite Mountain in December. I got a probably 50-mile-an-hour plus. We got a group of overnighters making their way down. I'm wondering if they went for the summit. God, they are buttoned up though, let me tell you. They're looking like they just came off of Denali or something. Found a pretty solid break spot up here. That wind was like sustained for like an hour. It's still windy up here, but it's not nearly as bad. You can actually stop without getting blown off the side of the mountain. That's pretty bad up here. Huts are within view. All right, final stretch, let's get it. 4 attempts later, and I finally managed to skin all the way up to Camp Muir. That last like 700 feet of climbing was brutal. I think my endurance is good for about 4,000 feet of vert, and then after that I'm pretty much running on fumes. I found this spot right here by this building that's not too windy. Gonna chill here for a little bit. Oh, well, there goes the wind. Probably gonna take a nap because I barely slept last night and I'm absolutely exhausted. I tell you what, the views up here are insane though. Place to myself right now because the other guys who made it up here are already headed back down. But someone's on the way up, so the wind isn't too bad up here. It was definitely a lot worse most of the way up. Plus there was the free facial cleansing that you got. Thousands of ice particles hit your face at 50 miles an hour. I have every single layer on right now. I napped for a good 3 hours, so it's time to start heading down. I definitely don't want to go down there. That's probably a cliff right there. Oh, it's steep. That snow was so good. Packed powder the entire way down for about 2,500 feet, and then it started getting muddy. So I wanted to be up here for sunset, but because of how long the days are lately, I've still got 4.5 hours of daylight to burn. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start hiking back up, kill some time. I'm gonna take a quick nap down here because it sounds better than hiking right now. It is really sunny though, and kind of hot. It's gotta be like in the 60s down here. So it's time to start hiking again. So I'm gonna transition my board. We'll see how much easier it is when it's not freezing cold and blowing wind everywhere. Done. 5 minutes. I have so much more energy down here than I had at 10,000 feet. When I was up there, I felt so zapped, I thought I was just done for the day. Turns out I just needed more oxygen. Check out this wind formation. It's got to be like 30 feet tall. I just climbed another 1,000 feet, plus the 4,700 to get to Muir originally. So that puts me at 5,700 feet of total climbing today. Pretty good. All right, this is the end of the road. We've still got about 2 hours till sunset, but that slush was already starting to form a pretty gnarly crust, and I'm not the biggest fan of riding crust, so I think I'm gonna flip around now while I still can. Here we go. Oh man, it's crusty already. Survival skiing.
know there's a bunch of creeks and like waterfalls going down through here, so you definitely don't want to go the wrong way. Back on the program. I guess I'm crawling. It never ends, man. Finally hit the highway.
What an insane day. I finally made it to Muir. I got to see the sunrise. It was like winter up there even though it was the middle of May. I almost got blown off the mountain by what, 80-mile-an-hour winds? And I got a new personal record for most elevation in one day. And I'm absolutely wiped.